How to get insurance on Cnfans. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to get insurance on Cnfans. So as of now, Cnfans is not widely recognized platform and I couldn't find specific information about getting insurance on Cnfans. But you can visit Cnfans official website. Go to the Cnfans website and explore the Help Center, FAQs or support section to find information related to insurance options. Contact customer support. If you can find information on the website, you can reach out to customer support for assistance. Look for contact methods such as email, live chat, or phone support. Number three, you can review terms and policies. So check the terms of service or insurance policy section of CNFans if available. If you can see that, this section may provide details about whether they offer any form of insurance for their services or products. Now you can see there is this insurance, but they will show you how to get that one. For external insurance providers, if CNFans does not offer direct insurance, you might need to consider purchasing insurance through an external provider. If CNFans is an emerging or niche service, providing more context or details about it would help in guiding you further with tailored steps. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.